A day in my life as a borikat na abot sa Hong Kong. So for today's video, day, kaya ko na ba? Shoutout sa'yo, Cindy. Ayan. So for today's video, pumunta kami dito sa monastery. I don't know how to pronounce this, but it is TSC Chan Monastery. So this is a free food from them, and it is a cheesecake, and pwede kang pumili ng drinks, cappuccino, oolong tea. Madami siyang pero we choose cappuccino, and this is what we have. And then we just only give a little amount of money donation. So yung binigay ko is 8 Hong Kong dollar, yung sa kaibigan ko is 5 Hong Kong dollar, and we get sugar because napakapait niya. Ayan. So aside from that, marami kang